Hey, how's it going? Let's go over how to draw an Among Us character flying through space after he was jettisoned out. All right, let's get going. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curved line like so, kind of for the back of the head. Curve over here for the front of the head. And down just a bit. We're gonna make room for his visor, because that's a big deal. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curve over here for the visor. Curve across. Let me know if you're a big fan of Among Us, by the way. Hit the like button if you're a big fan of Among Us. Love that game. Curve over here to the front. And I'm gonna go back, but not all the way. Alright. We're gonna have his hands. Sometimes their hands stick out very rarely, and they're kind of separated. So we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna do a curve right here for the thumb. Go over here for the finger. Out over here for the finger. Over here for the finger. Curve over here. Line, line. Curve down. Go over here, keep going. Down over here. And so we have his hand right there. And again, he's got like this mitten hand. You want to imagine like some sort of baseball character, like a baseball glove, something like that. And it'll be a lot easier. He's got like a fold right here on the hand to make it look like it's the palm of the hand. So it's a thumb, and these are the three fingers. Go over here on this side. Curve over here. And we're going to have one leg sticking out. So down over here. Curve up. Let's say it's one leg. And then the other leg is going to be hidden. It's going to be like twisting back. Right? Hopefully that makes like more sense kind of within this pose. Like he's kind of like trying to find his balance, trying to go like, wait, what am I doing out here? And it's funny too, because like he would be, I guess not an imposter, right? He could have been jettisoned an actual crewmate. Curve right here. It's for the other hand. Go over here for the thumb. Go over here for the pointer finger. And line right here, line right here. And we're going to go like this, kind of curve right there on that side. Gonna go right here, curve for kind of the lens. You know, the actual visor has a little bit of a like highlight to it, right? Circle right there, and then let's draw another circle right there. I want to make the lines a little bit thinner though, because you want that to be more of a kind of like a detail oriented effect, not like an actual like, oh no, we're gonna put this down. So this is all well and good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a little bit of a thick line, just up kind of around everything, by the way. For definitely hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you like kind of the stuff that we do on this channel. I teach you how to draw very quickly, very easily, all your favorite characters. There's two different kind of ways we do that. Number one, in the morning I post these where like there's a marker and paper basically every single morning, and then at night in the evening I post iPad Procreate drawing lessons because a lot of people requested that as well. So that's kind of the way the channel works. And then we're always posting shorts with tips, free stuff all over the description, so go take a look at that. And I'll tell you about one as I'm doing something right now. I'm going to draw a thick line around everything right now, okay? Right here, see, a little bit of a thicker line. And I would say this, the reason I do this is for like a style effect that makes the whole thing look a little bit more graphical, a little bit more, just kind of look just all around better. What I want you to do is I want you to check out the stuff in the description. There is a free ebook basically on how to draw chibi. So if you want, like, so for example, chibi is very specific, right? Big head, big eyes, small mouth. It's proportion. It doesn't really have to do with, you know, everything big or everything small, like as far as things like that. You want to, everything is in comparison to. I have a little chart. It's literally a visual ebook. It's like 6 pages or something. It's very visual. You don't have to read it. You know, it's just kind of, you look at it and it shows you kind of what to do. It's incredibly easy. Take a look at it. I really hope you enjoy it. Go take a look at it. It's 100% free. It's something that I used to sell, but now I give it away as a free gift, and it's somewhere in the description. That's the only catch. The only catch is you have to go to the description and find it. But there's a lot of free stuff there. And also we offer coloring books on Amazon. Sorry, that was a big old pitch. Just needed to say all that at once. So we're drawing this thick line. We have this character that's been jettisoned out, and we're like, oh no, he's been flying out through space. We're trying to like kind of, you know, give him that effect, right? If you want, you can also draw this, like question mark, like why is he out here? What is going on? What did he do to deserve this? You could have that kind of that effect as well. Circle right here, the bottom of that question mark. And let's draw a thicker line on this side. Go over here. Go over here as well. And we can draw a thicker line in front of this hand as well, because this hand is in front. It's closer to us. It's closer to the camera, so you want to do that as well. Right there. And that's mostly it. Now we're gonna kind of like fix a couple of things right here, like some of the lines are a little off. We can draw a little bit of a thin line right here underneath to kind of show a little bit of folding. You know, these are the thin lines are mostly detail-oriented things. So you do we can kind of do that at our like convenience. It's not something you have to do. It's just something like, why not do it? Yeah, fun stuff to kind of throw that detail in. It's kind of my favorite part of the whole thing, where it feels like, okay, cool, now a lot of the essential stuff is over. We're just kind of doing this whole thing. Don't forget the cool coloring books, like I said, on Amazon. This is going to be the very first link in the description. It is fun to kind of color. Line over here, line over here. This should be an Among Us movie, don't you think? If you think this should be an Among Us movie, tell me in the description. I am very curious who thinks there should be an Among Us movie, because I think there really should be. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. What I want you to do is to share the video if you can. Sharing is caring. When you share the video, it helps the algorithm out. It helps me out. If you did enjoy the video, definitely hit that share button. And, you know, I'll see you soon, okay? I want you to kind of say hi to me in the comment as well. And I'll say hi back to every single one of you. I want you to high five the screen right now. Press high five. Come on, high five the screen right now. Talk to you later, and I'll see you soon.